Thirst. Thirst. Thirst.
Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today we will learn how to add tasks to Google Calendar. Stay organized and on schedule with Google Tasks. What to know? Open Google Calendar, click the tasks icon, add a task, enter a description, and choose a date to add it to the calendar. Get it on your desktop through Gmail and Google Calendar or on mobile with the free app from Google Play or the app. This video explains how to add a task to Google Calendar on the web, Android, and iOS versions of Google Tasks, Gmail, and Google Calendar and manage task lists. How to add a task from Calendar on a computer. When working on your desktop, it's easy to access Google Tasks from Google Calendar. Create task lists and add new tasks as needed. Open Google Calendar, preferably with the Chrome browser, and log in if prompted. Click the tasks icon in the right panel. If you don't see the tasks icon but do see reminders, select the menu to the right of reminders and choose switch to tasks. Select add a task. Enter a description of the task. Work with your to-do list. Managing Google Tasks is straightforward. Choose a date in the properties of the task to add the task to your Google Calendar. To reorder the tasks in the list, drag a task up or down the list. When a task is complete, put a check in the circle to the left of the task to categorize it into a completed section. To edit a Google task, select Edit Details, the pencil icon, to add a description, add a date and time, add subtasks, or move the task to a different task list. Make multiple task lists. To keep track of different tasks, such as work tasks and home tasks, or tasks within separate projects, create multiple task lists in Google Calendar to organize them. Select the arrow next to the list name at the top of the Tasks window, and then choose Create New List. Switch between your different Google Tasks lists from this menu. Move tasks to another list. If you change your mind about where a task belongs, move the task from one list to another. To move a task into another list, highlight the task and press Shift plus Enter, or click the pencil icon next to its name. Select the list name, and from the drop-down menu, choose the list to which you want to move this task. Add Google Tasks from your Android or iOS device. Completing tasks while on the go is critical. Google created an app for Google Tasks, so the tool is accessible on iOS and Android devices. Google Tasks syncs with existing to-do lists automatically if you're signed into a Google account. Adding tasks on a mobile device works similar to adding tasks through Google Calendar. Tap the plus sign button to create a task. Tap the task to add subtasks or add a due date or description. Arrange the tasks by tapping and dragging. Did this video help you? Comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And help me grow. Thank you. Have a great day.